At the end of the highway, a group of zombies shuffled forward, but among them was a human. A jeep approached them head-on. Their daily thrill was slaughtering zombies, and the zombies kept falling one by one. The man knew he would die if he was exposed. The zombies around him were gradually collapsing, but he continued to move forward with them. The man accidentally dropped a bullet on the ground, and another, fatter man was knocked down by the zombies. His companions just drove away. The man kept moving forward with the zombies, unaware that he had already been spotted. Finally, he collapsed from dehydration. The three people who had seen him didn't seem like bad guys, but they didn't choose to help him either. The man felt like he was dying. Fortunately, it started to rain. He made his way to a small town. After 2 days without food, he could barely hold on. He needed to disinfect his wounds, but the medicine in the pharmacy had already been taken. He could only use tape to bandage his wounds. Just then, the three people from the day before walked in with guns. He quickly explained that his wound wasn't from a zombie bite. After the woman checked it, she gave him some water and took him to a clinic to bandage his wounds. The doctor asked him why he had been traveling with the zombies. The man said he was just trying to survive. After that, the doctor opened the door. When the man walked out, he felt like he was in a dream. The place was bustling and lively, just like before the apocalypse. This was what the man had been seeking. The next day, the man woke up feeling well rested. When he went outside and found no one around, he looked for a while and discovered that everyone was gathered in one place. One man handed over his dagger, said his final goodbyes, and walked into a bus. He kept going all the way to the back of the bus, but then he walked right out into the middle of a group of zombies. The villagers were also making noises, seemingly chanting some kind of sacrificial spell. In the end, the man was eaten, and everyone returned to their normal lives. At that moment, the woman found him and took him to the bus. When the man asked her questions, she didn't answer. Instead, she told him to stay quiet, then smeared blood all over his body. She led him outside. On the way, the man finally learned the truth. The leader of the base was the doctor, a devout believer who claimed to be immune to the virus. People trusted him completely. Anyone bitten by a zombie would be sacrificed to the dead to protect their loved ones. This was the reality of the zombie apocalypse.